Welcome back to another episode of JDM for All. Welcome back, JDM fam, and today's video is going to be a video about the Civic Type R FK8 again. Here it is right here, looking amazing as usual. As you can see, I just installed those canards right there, carbon fiber canards, and the mod that we are installing today is also functional, which is great. So the Type R intake system, the stock intake, is designed really well. Obviously, it's the Type R. It's built for the track, so I'm not going to be changing that out. I have thought about whether or not I would want to change it. Maybe down the road I will. So today I definitely will not be changing it out, and I don't think I will anytime soon in the near future, especially after this mod. So like I mentioned, guys, the intake system on this car from the factory is really good. You can actually hear the turbo sometimes, and it just sounds great. When you get on it, it definitely sounds good, and you can hear that turbo stock, which I never heard in my Lexus. I think the mod today will help it to sound a little better, help my fuel mileage, and also give me a little bit of power. I mean, it's probably not going to be much. It's probably going to be like my muffler delete, where it's a small amount, if anything. I expect, if anything, maybe 5 horsepower difference. I mean, not much. So I'll show you guys what I am installing in this video right now. Okay, so in this video, we're going to be installing this AEM dry flow air filter in the Type R. One of the big reasons why I like it is because it is supposed to be a pretty good air filter, but not only that, it is a no oil filter. It's a dry filter, so you don't have to oil it, you don't have to worry about sensors getting dirty, and you don't have to worry about a mess when you are cleaning it or installing it initially, which is awesome. Now it says right here, designed to increase horsepower, non-oiled dry filter design, easy to wash and reuse, lifetime limited warranty. So this filter should last for years, which is awesome. I did have one of these drop-in filters in my Lexus as well. I had an F-Sport one, and it did slightly change the sound of the vehicle, also did help with a little bit of throttle response as well, and they're awesome, easy upgrades. This is an easy upgrade you can install in your car for practically nothing. I mean, it was 65 bucks. So I was looking at the Spoon Sports intake filter, drop-in filter, and it looks really good, but also, I did see some videos of people actually installing them. It sounds so good. It sounds like an intake that I'm not sure if it's filtering at all. So I didn't want to get it, but it does look really good. It was $200. That was just about the most that I would spend on a drop-in intake. I mean, that's almost as much as a regular intake, if not the same price. So we are going to be installing this filter. It looks like really good quality. These are some of the things that came in the filter. Also, a sticker saying do not oil, and the AEM sticker. I'll show you guys what the filter looks like really quick. It actually looks really good. So let me set this down really quick. All right, so let's check out this filter, see what it looks like. As you can see, this is a really nice filter. It looks like it is great quality as well. It has a really thick layer of rubber around the sides. Just feels like really good quality. And the bottom is red, as you can see. Top is like a gray. So yeah, it looks great. It says AEM right here, made in the USA. So I am going to link this product in the description if you guys want to purchase one for yourself. I did buy this from the AEM website, got here within 2 days, so it was really fast shipping, and it was only like 65 bucks, so definitely a great buy. It's time to install this filter. All right, so the hood is up. What we have to do is unplug this sensor right here, unplug this wiring harness right here. There are a few clips right there, and I think right here. Also, we do have to unplug this rubber piece right there, and on the other side as well, and right there as well. So we're going to do all of that, and then afterwards, there are just a couple clips. There's one right there, and there's one on the other side. Super simple installation. I am going to wipe this area down as well because it's a little dirty, so let's go. All right, so that was really quick and easy. All I had to do was just pop out the sensor really quick, pop these off. Literally, all they are is just a little push tab. And then after that, I did the little rubber pieces right here. Super easy. What I did was just pull them back and just pull back and it just came off. Now let's work on these clips, which should be super simple. And there we go, we're done. Should open up right now. I'm going to open it up and replace the filter. I'll be right back. Okay, so I actually was able to get this up. It definitely flexes, but there's a lot of stuff that's in the way, including all this rubber right here, which obviously, I guess, unclips from the thicker rubber down there, which is just the induction part of the intake. So as you can see, this is the stock filter. This is a paper filter, and it looks pretty clean from up here. We're going to pull it out, install the new one right now. Okay, so I didn't even want to put this on my washer because of how dirty it is. Check this out, guys. What? What? This is disgusting. So this is the backside. It was definitely filtering and doing its job. The light is a little bright right here, but check this out, guys. How dirty is that? I cannot believe how dirty this filter is. This is actually so bad, and I am glad I'm cleaning this out, or replacing it, not cleaning it, because this is just bad. This is going straight to the garbage, guys. Wow. Okay, so now that the new filter is in and seated properly, you obviously want to make sure that it is in and it's sitting really well. So it filters and it is sealed around the sides. Now, if you look right here, you can see a little tab on this side of the filter housing. It also has one on the other side. What you want to do is make sure that those are right inside of the hole right there and right there. Now that is going to lock it in place from the back side, and then the clips will lock the front side. All right, guys, so it is completely done. It was super easy, simple, and that is just a cheap mod that you can do to your car, and it is completely done. You do want to make sure that you put these clips back on this rubber piece that basically seals the engine heat from the air that's coming in. As you can see, there's air that goes straight through here from the grill, through here, and then into the filter through there. So thank you guys for watching. Make sure you guys look out for the update on this filter. I'll let you guys know exactly what I think about it. I will take it for a drive and test it out and just let you guys know my first impressions on it. And so far, guys, I am absolutely in love with this car. Make sure to subscribe, hit the like button. It helps me out a lot. I'll see you guys on the next video.